Which one is greater? 2023 to the power of 2022 or 2022 to the power of 2023? Let's compare these two numbers. When we want to start, we can divide, for example, left number divided by right number. So let's see. We can say 2023 to the 2022 divided by 2022 to the 2023. So if this number, left number, is greater than right number, so the numerator here is greater than denominator. So if it's greater than this, because numerator here is greater than denominator, then the fraction will be greater than 1. If this number is smaller than this number, then we can erase this, If left number is less than right number, we can say numerator is less than denominator, so it is less than 1. And if it is equal to 1. So we should compare this fraction with 1. Now, we can write it as 2023, the power of 2022, divided by 2022, the power of 2022, times 1 over 2022, because the powers will be added together and we will reach 2023. Because of power rule, we know that a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. What should we do next step? In next step, we can say, okay, left side is 2023, left number, over 2022. Because the powers are equal, you can divide the bases. Power of 2022 times 1 over 2022. In next step, we can say 2023 is 2022 plus 1 over 2022, the power of 2022 times 1 over 2022. Now, here, you can divide 2022 by 2022. It will be 1. It will be 1 plus the next term. 1 over 2022, which will be again 1 over 2022, the power of 2023 times 1 over 2022. So we should focus on this part. If we focus on this part, we have let me correct just something. Here 2022, because the powers here 2022, here 2020. We have here 2022 brackets. Let's expand them. So if we expand, it will be equal to 1 plus, let's see, 1 over 2022. Again, 1 plus 1 over 2022 times 1 plus 1 over 2022 times 1 plus 1 over 2022. And the last part here is times 1 over 2022. Now, for each fraction, we can say what? We can say this fraction, instead of that, we write 1 plus 1 over 2. When 1 is same in both of them, but 2022, we decrease the denominator to 2. So when you decrease the denominator, the fraction will be increased. So this part is greater than this part. So we can say it is greater than this. Now again, if we do this for next number, it will be less than, with same proof, 1 over 1, 1 plus 1 over 3. Why? Because you decrease 2022 to 3. 3 is smaller. It is in the denominator. So this fraction is smaller than this fraction. So whole part is greater than this. Now let's consider, we write up to, it is 2, it is 3. This one will be 1 plus 1 over, how many brackets are there? 2022. So It is our first bracket, it is our second bracket, it is 2020 second bracket, it is 2020 first bracket. So when it is 2, it is 3. When it is 1, it is 2. So when it is 2021, it is 2022. And next number, now, in this case, we know that this part, it is equal, okay? But before that, all of them are smaller because here we've reached 2022, so this is equal. For this part, we don't know anything. We write them again. So let me erase the things that we don't meet them anymore. So we know that this part, because they are smaller than this, is smaller than 1 plus 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1 over 3 to 1 plus 1 over 2022. These all things we had here. Now we should focus on this part. 1 plus 1 over 2022. We are writing this part times 1 over 2022. We want to see this part is less than 1 or not. So we can say 1 plus 1 over. Okay, we want to see that 1 plus 1 over 2 is what? Let me raise this part. 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. The next part is 4, 3 plus 1 over 3. Next one is 5 over 4 up to 2023 over 2022. And this part is equal to 2023 over 2022 times last part is 1 over 2022. Now, we call this action, let me tell you, that you cancel like this, we call it telescoping rule or telescoping product here. Because we have also in sum, this part is in product. We cancel all these things, so let's see. The thing that is left is 2023. I consider this times the next part 2023 over 2022 times 1 over 2020. And also we have 1, 2 here. So let's write 2023, this part over 2. Now you can calculate this, the numerator and the denominator, to see if it is less than 1 or not. But let me tell you another way without calculating. You can say 2023 over 2022 is less than 2022 over 2024. The reason is what? The reason you say, okay, it is equivalent to 2023 times 2024 is less than 2022 squared. It is equivalent to 2023, 2024, 2022. Then sum of 2023 and 2024 is 2022 plus 2022. When the numbers are near to each other, the product is greater. The reason here is what? We can say 2023 is 2022 plus 1. 2024, let's see. Oh, sorry, let me correct this word. It's not 2024, it's 2021. Okay. Now it will be 2021, and we know here 2023 is 2022 plus 1, 2021 is 2022 minus 1. So if I write left side 2022 plus 1 times 2022 minus 1 is less than 2022 squared. The reason is this. If you multiply this part, it will be 2022 squared minus 2022 plus 2022 minus 1. And we will see it works. Okay, now let's use this part and apply it here. Okay, so if we write it 2023 over 2 instead of this part 2023 over 2022, we write this. Okay, so let's see. Let's write this part again. It is equal to 2023 over 2, 2023 over 2 times 2023 over 2022. 3 over 2022 times 1 over 22. Now if we analyze this here, 2023 over 2022 is less than this. So let's apply it. The first fraction we write again. The second one we write 2022, 2021 times 1 over 2022. Now we cancel this, and it will be what? 2023 over 2 times 2021, which is 42, which is obviously less than 1. So, if we consider this, we can see that we've proved this fraction is less than 1. It means that it is less than this. So we proved 2023 to the power of 2022 is less than 2022 to the power of 2023. If you have a question, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.